Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only. No animals were harmed during the filming. Our goal is to share and documents our experiences in a respectful and ethical manner.
Shout out sa mga ka-hunters at subscriber. Mga ka-hunter, June 19, 2024, nakahuli ka-hunter yung bago kong mansuhing pangate. Ayan siya ka-hunter, oh. Hindi ko nalagyan ng video kasi nalubat yung camera ko, mga ka-hunter. Alas 8 ng umaga. Ayan mga ka-hunter, oh. Ayun, oh. Huli na siya, ka-hunter. Ayun, oh. Ayun mga ka-hunter, oh. Ayun mga ka-hunter, green legs. Yung pangati ko, dalusapi, white legs. Sige ka-hunter, mamaya na lang update. Ito yung huli ko, green legs mga ka-hunter, oh.